Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Handle with Foot. This is your host PSK. I'm here to explain all the mods that I have done to my FZ25 BS6. So let's start the video. Starting off with the most important accessory on the bike, that is the crash guard. Moving on to the next mod, that is the number plate holder. I have installed this over the fender screws. Basically this comes at this position, but this obstructs the vision of the headlight, so I had to lower this down to my convenience so that it doesn't obstruct the headlight. Next accessory that adds the main character over the bike is the windshield. So this is a generic windshield I got from Amazon. Custom fitted it from the local by drilling holes over the number plate holder that was actually provided by the company. So you need to be careful, otherwise you'll end up like having more holes over the windscreen, which doesn't look good. We have the handguards that are the KTM type handguards. I've installed these myself and I got it from Amazon. The link will be in description. Moving on to the next accessory, it is the LED indicator. This is how the rear looks like. Moving on to the handlebar section, now this is really filled up, so let me start by explaining. This switch is for the hazard lights that are currently turned on. The next switch over here you can see, it's for the fog lights that I have installed. The company one is a single projector. It is okay for the city, but in the highways it isn't sufficient. So these are also from Amazon. Now another addition I have done is the blind spot mirrors. These I have purchased from a local motor store. So these serve the purpose because the original mirrors are kind of short. The visor isn't a direct fit, so you can see here the screws, that the nuts I have added to make the visor look a bit straight. Otherwise this was becoming very backward, due to which the wind protection wasn't much. Now it's sturdy and it's well. That's all for this video. Thanks for connecting back to this channel and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.